So over here you can see that I am in the home page of Microsoft OneDrive, and you can see the personal vault right here. If you want to disable out the personal vault, then you can do that as well. So for that, you need to go around over here onto the gear icon and then click on options. So once you go around over here, you can see that personal vault is an option over here on the left side. And if you were to click on it, then first of all, to get access to the settings, you need to verify your identity. So if I were to go around and click right here, then it opens this up. And now you need to go ahead and verify your identity from your second email. So I'm just going to go around and log in onto my Gmail right here that I added in as a secondary email right here. So let me just click on show code and then type in my email address right here. So it's tututube channel@gmail.com, just like this. I'm just going to go around and click on send code, and the code will be sent over here. So once that is done, I have the security code over here. So I'm just going to go around and copy this and paste it out over here in the code section. And once I do that, I have access to the personal vault. So you can see that it is there, and here it says manage how you sign in into personal vault. So you can go around and manage this, and you can see that you can go around and enter out your password right here. You can email a code as well, or you can also go ahead and add a new way to sign in. Let's say, for example, you want to use a USB security key, or you want to use an app right here, or use your Windows PC to sign in as well by using your face, your fingerprint. Then you can use those methods as well. You can add that in as well. You can also go around and add in additional security, like use a passwordless account right here, or you can also turn on the two-step verification so that you receive a code on email and even your mobile phone if you want to, and then work around with that as well. So you can change those settings around from over here. If I were to go around onto OneDrive, you can see that you can also disable out the personal vault altogether. So if I were to go around and disable this and click the disable button, then what happens is that it says, are you sure? So you can just go around and disable the personal vault. So if I were to go around onto OneDrive right here, you can see that this is totally disabled. And if I were to click on the gear icon and go to options right here and go to personal vault, you can re-enable it from over here as well. So you can see that personal vault is there. Let me just go around and click right here, and let's just refresh this because it is not showing up anything. So from over here, you can enable out the personal vault once more as well. And over here in OneDrive, you'll be able to see your personal vault once more. And that is how you can change the personal vault settings inside of Microsoft OneDrive. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.